Sentient beings, hello! And today, we're going to be checking out another Finch product. This time, it is going to be the Blue Echo Devil's Finger. Get to the knife in a moment, but after we pop the top on the box, we have some legendary Finch stickers. Starting from the left to the right on your radio dial, we have the Flipping the Finch sticker, followed by a Sugar House sticker, a Devil's Finger sticker, and then at the top of your screen we have the Finch warranty card and a Band-Aid underneath it, just in case. Don't adjust your TV dial. We're going to bring that knife right into frame for you. Look at that. Of course, wrapped up nicely in plastic and in a nice foam fitted situation in there. Now, Finch is saying that this is a Blue Echo color, but I'm actually going to call it Alan Jackson blue. Look at that. Tell me that's not the same as that shirt, huh? Keeping it country or what, Finch? I'm loving it. Love the color. All right, so we have the Blue Echo. Cool tones meet hard use in the Blue Echo. With a two-tone G10 handle in bark and light blue, this version of the Devil's Finger delivers understated style with everyday functionality. The 14C28N blade satin stonewash finish keeps it refined, while the $85 price tag keeps it accessible. All right, well, bam, checking out the knife here. On the back, we have the deep carry pocket clip, kind of like a wire style. That's fun. Let's go ahead and activate the blade. 3, 2, 1. Showtime. Look at that. Woo-wee. We got that nice satin finish. I'm going to turn that around. Right there it says Devil's Finger. Look at that blade. Folks, I'm going to go ahead and add in the screen right here, a little more information on our knife steel and our length as well of the blade. But boy, look at that lock right here. We have a nice lock incorporated in our finger guard as well. Let's go ahead and bring that down. See how that catches your finger so the knife blade doesn't, right? That is a nice opener. You don't even need to flick the wrist to get that puppy going, I tell you what. Okay, let's go ahead and get a weight here on the Alan Jackson Special, as it were. Looks like we're clocking in at 3.1 ounces. 3.1 ounces. Now, folks, we do have several different color options to choose from as well. Make sure to go to the website. Check it out for yourself if you don't want the Keeping It Country Alan Jackson color here. I don't know, I kind of feel like with the color and the shape of this, it's kind of got like a retro vibe to it almost in a way. What are you all thinking? All right, sharpness test. I mean, I'm sure it's going to cut through the paper. Yeah, look at that. That was ridiculous. So what we're doing is we're just barely placing the blade right on the paper, and we're just going to pull it along and let the knife do its work. We're not shoving it in there. Look at that. Beautiful. Like, wow. All right. All right, you want to talk about balance? Balance? We talking about balance? Yeah, this balances. Look at that. People, thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Make sure to check out the link down below and in the comments to pick up your own beautiful Finch knife. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.